Hello everybody, my name is Chloe Hodges and today I'm going to be sharing about my persuasion speech. Did you know that the average gas price that Californians are paying today has increased $3.50 over the past 5 years? Today I'm going to be sharing more about why the governor of California should not raise these gas prices anymore. Not only have you and I both struggled through the increasing prices over the past couple of months, but these months we've seen no change or improvement to decrease these numbers. As a college student myself, there's plenty more to be worrying about than thinking about filling up my tank to get to class or to get to work. The governor of California should not increase gas prices. More specifically, some more important points to consider in this debate include the impact of gas prices on California and the damages it has done to people, the solutions we can make to fix the problem, and the relief knowing we will be able to fill up our tanks without any stress. California is suffering from high gas prices due to the demand for oil and the low supply. CalMatters.org explains that the rapid increase is largely due to planned and unplanned refinery maintenance issues that have tightened supply in California. Governor Newsom hasn't been implementing new plans to start the decrease of these high prices. According to San Francisco Chronicle, it states that Californians should expect to see costs rise anywhere from 25 to 75 cents per gallon in some areas of the states, Peterson said. Governor Newsom thinks by giving money away to people, it is putting a fix on these high record gas prices. Yes, this money will be helpful to have, but all it's going to do is put a temporary fix to a major problem. California.gov states that starting tomorrow, $9.5 billion in middle-class tax refunds payments will begin going out to Californians with refunds up to $1,000.50. That will benefit millions of eligible Californians under the largest such program in state history. Better low-cost public transit could help with the increased cost of gas and an alternative to driving cars. The Bureau of Transportation Statistics states that a similar pass for U.S. local transit, also extended to Amtrak, could help rebuild ridership habits and incentives interagency cooperation, a positive long-term outcome. Encouraging companies to provide home work days could also reduce that amount of gas being spent every single week. According to San Francisco Chronicle, expanded telework could help some families save on gas by cutting down commute times during the week. Improving electrical vehicle incentives would not only help by cutting the cost, but being able to improve the environment as well. According to Forbes Advisor, converting these credits to point-of-sale rebates for moderately priced electric vehicles would make this gas-free option accessible to a lot more car buyers while putting downward pressure on gas prices for all consumers buying. By lowering the cost of public transit, it would be able to provide a way to limit the cost of living. According to CalMatters.org, public transit saves the U.S. the equivalent of 4.2 billion gallons of gas annually and more than 11 million gallons of gasoline per day. Now that is quite a bit. When people are able to work from home, even if it's only 1 day per week, they can cut down gas prices for their whole year. Cal.gov states that in order to save money on gas, another business executive told the news outlet that she sent half of her employees home. She says that her staff is able to save money on gas and they have that ability to make it to work. Using electric vehicles and transportation not only cuts the cost down by half, but it helps the environment by cutting down the emissions of the CO2. Forbes Advisor explains that a single person who switches 20-mile commuting alone by car to existing public transportation can reduce their annual CO2 emissions by 20 pounds per day, or more than 48,000 pounds in a year. That is equal to 10% reduction in all greenhouse gases provided by a typical 2-adult, 2-person household. I hope that I've all convinced you by listening that the governor of California needs to lower the gas price as it is crucial for our state of living. The solution is simple. We reduce gas prices by making changes in our society. By lowering the cost of public transport, it would be able to provide that cheaper alternative to building gas prices. It would also decrease the demand for oil. By allowing employees to work from home, when possible, we could decrease the use of gas per week and hopefully per year. Electric vehicles are a great way to not use gas and a great way to help the environment out. We would be able to not only save money on gas, and we would be able to help not release the CO2 emissions. Gas prices have been raised over $3.50 over those past 5 years, and there's obvious ways we can make that change. If we stand up and present these changes, it could save our money and it could save our environment. Thank you.